Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to replace page in Zoho Writer. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Zoho Writer document. Now we can see here many pages to this document. Now we go to another document and we can see here a page in this document. Now we want to replace the page in this document. At first create a page. Now I am create a blank page. Press enter on our keyboard. We can see we create a blank page. Then select, click inside the page. We can see here the cursor. Then go back the another page. Then select the all text, click and drag on our mouse and enable the 3-dot drop down menu and select the cut option. Then go to the main document and select this cursor and click the 3-dot option and choose the paste option. Now we can see we replace a page in Zoho Writer document very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.